Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a vanilla mug cake. Really good. Let's get started. Good, so get a mug and put in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now to put this in the microwave for about 20 seconds or so and melt it. Now once it's melted, add 1 egg. Just like that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of milk. Now add 6 tablespoons of self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, whatever got all-purpose flour or plain flour, add a teaspoon of baking powder to that. And now just mix it together. This part is optional, but if you want to add some sprinkles in it, go for it. About a tablespoon or so. And then just mix that spoon. Now put this in the microwave for about 90 seconds or so. Oh, this is perfect. Now, let's taste it. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a vanilla mug cake, as you can see. Oh, I just love how it rises at the top, so let's give this taste test. Oh, look how fluffy it is. It smells so good. Let's try it. Oh, this is perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one for a new recipe. Peace out.